Okay, now we will discuss the properties of nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen gas is inert. That is, they are chemically inert. Why they are chemically inert? Inertna enna miss sollirken mandama irupanga. Am I right? So they are chemically inert. Why they are? அப்பனா என்ன அர்த்தம்? யாரு கூட friendship வச்சுக்க மாட்டாங்க. That is, they will not react with some other normally. So some extra condition கொடுத்தா மட்டும்தான் they will react. So why they are inert? Because here the important one, the bond energy between this molecule, that is between the atom, nitrogen இருக்குல்ல, this nitrogen. Okay, so this nitrogen join பண்ணுறாங்கள, இந்த பாண்டோட எனர்ஜி வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா ஹையாக இருக்குது. Bonding energy அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? That is, we have to give more energy, then only we can break the bond. That is called bonding energy. Am I right? So when you break பண்ணுறதுக்கு you have to give more energy. So what is the meaning? They are very strong, so it is very difficult to remove them, separate them. Okay, when you separate, then only they can form a product. Or otherwise, how nitrogen N2 அப்படியே போய் உள்ளே உட்கார முடியாது. Okay, so that is the thing. So why they are inert? They have bonding, that is bonding energy higher இருக்கு. So we are unable to dissociate. And so only one reaction of nitrogen at room temperature is with lithium. அப்போ லித்தியத்து கூட மட்டும்தான் நார்மல் டெம்பரேச்சரில் நைட்ரஜன் will react. It is one important question. So but nitrogen reacts with lithium only at room temperature. With other element, nitrogen will react with other element only at elevated temperature. Okay, so elevated temperaturesல தான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா they will react. Lithium react with nitrogen, form lithium nitride. Calcium nitride na red hot, that is நல்லா ஹீட் பண்ணணும். போரான் நைட்ரைடும் கிடைக்கணும்னா you have to bright red hot. இன்னும் அதை விட அதிகமாக்கினா தான் you will get nitrides. Okay, so but group 2 metal actually they will form ionic nitrides. அப்போ important point here is lithium react with nitrogen even at room temperature, but the remaining other element will react with the nitrogen at elevated temperature. Why nitrogen is chemically inert? Because due to high bonding energy they are chemically inert. Okay, these 2 points clear? Okay, now when nitrogen, when it reacts with oxygen, it will give nitrous oxide or dinitrogen monoxide. எப்படினாலும் சொல்லிக்கோ, nitrous oxide. Okay, so when nitrogen, when it reacts with oxygen, it will produce N2O. Okay, that is எப்பன் per 3473 Kelvin, it will give a nitrous oxide, only 4.4%. Okay, that is why I am telling you nitrogen does not react with any element. Okay, so that is when you give more temperature, that time only nitrogen will react with other element. Clear? Okay, so nitrogen even with oxygen it will react at 3473 Kelvin. Okay, that time we will get only 4.4% of nitrous oxide. So these are the 3 important points. What are the 3 important points? Chemically inert nitrogen, it will easily react with lithium even at low temperature, with other element in elevated temperature only, and it react with oxygen at 3473 Kelvin. That time also the yield will be 4.4%. Okay, then it is very important. Okay, here that is already you have learned in chemical equilibrium Haber process in 11th standard. Okay, the reaction, this is when nitrogen, when it reacts with hydrogen, that is a direct reaction with hydrogen. When it reacts with the hydrogen, it will give a ammonia. That too, here it is C here, it should be at a high pressure and optimum temperature in the presence of a catalyst. In the moon condition இருந்தால் தான் இந்த ஹைட்ரஜனோட ஜாயின் பண்ணுவான். சும்மா போய் ஹைட்ரஜனோட ஜாயின் பண்ண மாட்டான். Because this ammonia Haber process is very important in the fertilizer industries and nitric acid preparation. So many preparations the ammonia is very important. That is why Haber process is important. Okay, when nitrogen react with hydrogen, directly react பண்றாங்க, but condition high, you have to give more pressure and the optimum temperature in the presence of ion catalyst. This is called synthesis of ammonia. Okay, miss, எனக்கு half N2 plus 3/2 H2 லாம் என்னால முடியாது miss. Okay, so you can balance the equation and you can write, that doesn't matter. Okay, clear? That is 3N2 plus this is N2 is enough. Yeah, N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. That is enough. Yeah, here already balanced. No, 2NH3 only we need. So 6 hydrogen. Yes, 6 hydrogen is there. 2 nitrogen. If you want to write this equation also, you can write. Does okay? So half N2 எழுதினால் right, just N2 plus 3H2 எழுதினால் right. Okay dear? Okay. Now uses of nitrogen. Nitrogen used in the இப்போ தான் பார்த்தோம். Just it is preparation, manufacture of ammonia, nitric acid, calcium cyanamide preparation. Manufacture பண்ணுறதுக்கு nitrogen use ஆகும். Nitric acid நாலும் nitrogen வேணும். அதே மாதிரி the liquid nitrogen is used for producing low temperature, that is cryosurgery. That is low temperature-ல surgery பண்ணுவாங்கல்ல, அதுக்கு liquid nitrogen use ஆகும். Okay, that is அது liquid nitrogen வச்சுன்னா temperature lower பண்ணலாம். அதே மாதிரி இப்போ temperature lower பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு என்ன ஆகுது, ஃப்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம், ரைட்? ஸோ தேட் டைம் அப்போ பயாலஜிக்கல் ப்ரிசர்வேஷனுக்கும் இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் liquid nitrogen. ஓகே, அப்போ nitrogen manufacture of many products, ammonia, nitric acid. Okay, so then liquid nitrogen used for producing low temperature required in cryosurgery and so in biological preservation. ஸோ அப்போ liquid nitrogen gives என்ன கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்னா கூலில் கொடுக்கும், freezing temperature கொடுக்கும். So that is why it is used in biological preservation. Okay, now we have completed nitrogen. Next we will learn the compounds of nitrogen, ammonia, nitric acid. Okay.